Good morning, the educators, ladies and gentlemen, the member of this house. Thank you for the opportunity that given to me. I'm Felicia from SMA Negeri 3 Temanggung, and here I am as the first speaker from the government team, and I would like to give you about our mission today. Our mission today is this house believes that scholarship should only be granted on the basis of financial necessity. So I will give you about the definition of our mission today word by word. So first is scholarship. Scholarship means that a grant or payment made to support a student's education. Second is granted. Granted means that we have to give, especially a right, power, property, etc., formally or legally too. And moreover is basis. Basis means the justification for or reasoning behaving something. And last is financial. That means relating to the monetary in other country. So the general definition of our mission today is that our government sought to prioritize the students that come from the lower until middle class background. So ladies and gentlemen, I will give you about my timeline today. My timeline today is scholarship should only be granted on the basis of financial necessity for the purpose of the continuity of formal and informal education and to decrease social economic problems. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that scholarship can give us the good impact for the better future. First is that scholarship can give us who need skill and high education to get a job. Second, scholarship can help to lessen the impact of rising tuition costs. Third is scholarship can give access to higher education for students of all income levels, especially the students that from the lower income levels. And the last is the scholarship can give students confidence in their ability to work toward a better future. So, my honorable adjudicators, we know that in Indonesia we have two types of scholarships. There is informal and formal scholarship, and informal scholarship is for people who want to sharp their life skill. Like they can join in the special course like the sewing course, cooking course, or the mechanic course. So for the formal scholarship is for the student who want to continue their education to the higher school. So we know that in Indonesia we have limited to our scholarship. There is just 7.5 billion for all people that come from the lower until middle economic background. So, ladies and gentlemen, we know that Indonesia is one of developing countries in this world. So that because of that, Indonesia cannot afford all of the students in this country because the students that from the lower class can afford their life by themselves. Like they can buy shoes, books, or other school needs by their money. But people that come from the middle until lower class can do the same thing like what people come from the middle until lower class. So second is because of COVID-19, Indonesia economy decreased than before. Because of that, people who from the middle until lower class more can get the money for their life. And the last is Indonesia sought to focus on the people from middle lower class because first their income is less than other group, And second, they need help, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic, to help their economic things. Third is, without the high education or skill, it is hard to find a job, especially in this age. Just imagine like people who from the junior high school can get a job. I mean, cannot get a higher job than people who from the master degree. So, ladies and gentlemen, because of all of that, that will give the causes like first, increase the unemployment people, and second, can make the inequality social and economic will get worse than before, and third, there will be a lot of people who cause crime to get the money because they need the money for their life. So because all of that problem, the students from the middle until lower class have sought to be prioritized by our government to make them get the high education or sharpen their skill. And because of scholarship, we can decrease some all of problems that I said before and can make people in this country better than before. So, ladies and gentlemen, because all of that, I still want to say that I agree with the idea that scholarship should only be granted on the basis financial necessity than other scholarship. Do you know that because of that scholarship we can get the job, we can sharpen our skill, we can earn money for our living, and because of the scholarship we can have the access to the higher education for students, especially the students that from the lower income levels. So, ladies and gentlemen, because all of those things, I said that I still agree with the motion today. Do you know that Nelson Mandela once said that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world? Thank you.